The Navy Federal Credit Union Platinum Credit Card, available on the Visa or MasterCard network, is a product with a very clear singular purpose, which is to save you money on interest and fees, not to earn rewards. This card is specifically designed as a low-interest borrowing tool for members of the credit union who plan to carry a balance or need to execute a large balance transfer from a high-interest card. If you are someone who always pays their statement balance in full every single month, you can actually stop reading now, because this card offers absolutely no cashback, points, or travel miles, meaning it would offer you zero financial incentive. However, for everyone else, particularly those affiliated with the military, Department of Defense, or their families who are eligible for NFCU membership, this card presents a very compelling proposition against crushing credit card debt. The facts here speak for themselves, and the card's main benefit is a market-leading balance transfer offer. It gives you a promotional annual percentage rate of 0.99% for 12 months on balances transferred within the first 60 days of account opening. What truly sets this apart is that it comes with a $0 balance transfer fee. Most cards that offer a low promotional APR charge a fee that is 3 to 5% of the total transferred amount, which can be hundreds of dollars on a large balance. By eliminating this fee, the card gives you an immediate head start in paying down the principal of your debt. After that introductory period ends, the ongoing variable APR is what maintains the card's value. The rate is between 10.49% and 18% depending on your credit worthiness. This is an exceptionally low rate, especially when you compare it to the industry average APR, which often starts well over 20%. For anyone who needs to occasionally finance a large purchase or who carries a revolving balance, paying interest at 10.49% instead of 25% represents a massive financial benefit. The card's zero fee structure is another huge pro. Beyond the no balance transfer fee, it has a $0 annual fee, so it costs nothing to keep in your wallet, and a $0 foreign transaction fee. That last point is a major plus for military personnel stationed abroad or any member who travels internationally, saving them a 3% charge on every purchase made outside the United States. Other benefits include secondary collision damage waiver insurance for rental cars, and travel and emergency assistance, which are great to have on a no annual fee card. The cons, however, are also very clear. As mentioned, there are zero rewards. If you are not in debt and you pay off your card monthly, you are leaving money on the table that a rewards card would provide. Furthermore, the 0.99% APR only lasts for 12 months, which is on the shorter end compared to many competing balance transfer cards that offer a 0% APR for 15 to 21 months, though those cards almost always include the 3 to 5% transfer fee. Finally, the extremely low ongoing APR of 10.49% is reserved for those with excellent credit scores, so people with average credit may only qualify for the higher 18% APR, which significantly diminishes the card's appeal. In summary, the Navy Federal Platinum Credit Card is not a general purpose card. It is a specialized financial tool built for debt management. The combination of a 0.99% APR for 12 months and a $0 balance transfer fee is arguably one of the best debt relief offers on the market, especially when followed by an ongoing APR as low as 10.49% for the most credit-worthy members. However, the risks are that it requires you to be an NFCU member, it offers no rewards for everyday spending, and the short 12-month intro period means you must be disciplined to pay down as much of the debt as possible before the much higher regular variable APR, which could be up to 18%, kicks in. You must also be prepared for the possibility that you will not qualify for the lowest rate, as the ongoing APR is determined by your creditworthiness.